Solis semi-micro, analytical, and precision balances are an outstanding choice for complex lab weighing tasks. With a high-resolution graphic display and intuitive features, Solis is ideal for research and quality assurance labs, science education, precision counting, and manufacturing applications. Available in a wide selection of models, Solis offers capacities up to 8,200 grams and readabilities of 2, 3, 4, and 5 decimal places. Dual-range semi-micro models boast capacities of 120 grams and 220 grams, with readabilities of 0.01 milligram in the fine range. Solis offers the unique combination of high capacity and analytical readability. Data is readily visible on the amply sized graphic display. Multilingual capability facilitates use in various regions. Quickly check for overloads on the capacity tracker located prominently on the left side of the display. The Solis keypad features easy-to-read buttons and helpful navigation arrows. Solis includes 7 built-in applications to simplify everyday lab work. 3 body types accommodate objects of different sizes and ingredients in varying capacities. With Solis, formulation is simple. After entering the function, use pre-configured settings or manually add items for a recipe. With the manual setting, the balance keeps track of the total weight and value of each item. Solis can store up to 99 recipes. Achieve high levels of counting accuracy when tracking and recording inventory. Select predefined sample sizes or manually enter the value of a single piece. Solis gives the total count, total weight, and the average weight of one piece. Semi-micro, analytical, and milligram models have draft shields with sliding glass doors. This boosts accuracy by eliminating the effects of breezes and reducing static electrical interference with the balance. An RS-232 interface is included for speedy connection to computers and printers. Printouts provided by the balance include date and time, essential for traceability and data tracking within good laboratory practice guidelines. External calibration allows verification and adjustment with weights. Certain models feature internal calibration. To help prevent theft, Solis also features a slot that accommodates an optional Kensington-type lock and cable.